Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix software update failed and error occurred in iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your software update has been failed, so let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to see, you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. It may be a Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have done, you just have to go back and here open your settings, then go for general, and here you just have to look for VPN and device management, and you have to check if you are connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected your VPN, you just have to go back and here you have to go to your general section again, then go for iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you have enough storage, because sometimes it might be that your phone has not enough storage, so you might get these type errors. So you just have to make sure that your phone has enough storage, or if you don't have, try to delete any app from here, and once you have done, you have to simply go back and then go to this transfer or reset option, select that and temporary reset, and here you just have to select reset network settings. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. It will reset all of your network settings, and once you have done, you have to go to this screen time option, select that, and then select the content and privacy restrictions, and from here you have to make sure that you have disabled all the restrictions. And once you have checked all of these settings, you just have to go back and here retry to update your software, or if you're still having the same issues, so now what you have to do, you have to make a force restart your phone. So let's try this. You have to press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo here, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it might fix your issue, or if it doesn't work for you, so you have to go to your sport app, or you have to use any browser to browse the Apple website, Apple Sport website, and here you have to ask about your issue. So in this way you can easily fix if your software update failed on your iOS 26 or any iOS version in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.